It's been more than I could have imagined. It's like way, way better than I anticipated. And I had already anticipated it being amazing.
I attended the Nutritious Life Masterclass because I felt like I needed an opportunity to bring everything together.
To grow myself, my family, and my clients.
To dive deeper into the nutrition aspects of food.
To connect with other like-minded individuals.
To connect with other people in the same field as me.
To connect with the community.
I want to meet these special people.
Health coaches, nutritionists, dietitians.
Intelligent, successful women who have similar interests to me and who have been taking their interest in nutrition and health in different directions is so eye-opening and exciting.
Seeing the difference in everybody's interests and businesses.
And what they're doing in the overall health and wellness space.
Actually make it much more informational. You learn so much more.
We get to be reminded over and over again by other people's stories.
It's such a cohesive group of people and support system, as well as a broad spectrum of knowledge.
We get to talk to other professionals about our successes, our failures, and I've had some failures that I've needed some guidance on, and that's been invaluable to me.
The support that you have, not only during the program, but after, you're just part of a family, and it makes a huge difference.
It allows you to have a community of people that will help you and guide you.
It's helping people reach their own personal health goals through nutrition. And this community absolutely does that.
And being as young as I am, I feel like I get to see what other people have gone through and hopefully grow not only myself personally, but my practice as well.
It's a great community that Keri has formed.
My mentor, who helped me become the best life coach that I can be.
She gives up her time every week. We are on a Zoom call and she's there for us and helping us grow as individuals as well as our business.
We have been seeing each other on Zoom for over a year for me.
So to actually come here today to see people live and give them a hug.
And to meet all those people that are doing the same journey as me.
Who are passionate about helping people elevate their health.
And just learn so much more about nutrition.
The best part of Masterclass so far, we have all of these specialists coming in, and the passion that I feel from them and the excitement just makes me want to learn more.
I don't have to think about what are the experts that I want to hear. Keri planned everything for us.
Nutritious Life does an amazing job at bringing to the table these speakers that cover a wide range of different topics.
The speakers have been amazing. I've gained so much insight.
I'm just trying to soak up all the knowledge.
Just really getting content that I feel like is relevant, immediately actionable with clients.
Masterclass has really helped me grow personally because it helps me live a little bit more intentionally. It's helping me with my business because I'm connecting with people.
It's giving me a little bit more of the tools that I need to feel confident when I am working with people.
So much confidence in my knowledge of nutrition and my ability to share that with other people.
Being able to talk to my clients about a broader spectrum of what is impacting their life.
And I've had so much support from the Nutritious Life community. I'm thrilled to have been a part of it and to apply it to what I'm doing.
I've looked back and see where I come from to where I am now. It's actually insane.